Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. The best way to cook chicken dum biryani. Take 1 kilogram basmati rice, wash soak for 45 minutes. Clean and wash the chicken and strain the water completely. Take a bowl, add 1.2 kilogram chicken. 3 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. 3 teaspoon green chili paste. A half teaspoon caraway seeds, 5 pods of cardamom, 4 piece cloves, 2 piece cinnamon sticks. 2 teaspoon salt. 2.5 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon whole spices powder. 2 piece lemon juice. 1 small piece chopped onion. 3 medium-size fried onion. 1 cup chopped mint leaves. 1 cup chopped coriander leaves. 1 cup fried onion cooking oil. Mix well all together, well combined. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification. Cover and marinate for at least 30 minutes. After chicken marinated, add 200 grams whisked curd and mix well, keep for 1 hour. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe. In a large vessel, add water as required. Bring water to a boil. Now add 2 piece bay leaves, 1 teaspoon caraway seeds, 8 pods cardamom, 4 piece cloves, 2 piece cinnamon sticks, 2 piece star anise and 2 piece black cardamom, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 piece lemon juice. Meanwhile, prepare the saffron. Take a bowl, add 1 cup of milk and 10 to 15 saffron strands and mix well. Now water is boiling. It's take around 10 to 12 minutes to boil water. Add soaked rice and cook until it's 85% cooked. Using the strainer, filter the rice. Take a heavy, bottomed pot, a thin layer of cooked rice. Now add marinated chicken, spread it all over and put some red color. Still, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. You will receive amazing, tasty and easy recipes. Then add the balance rice on top of marinated chicken. Add 1 cup pure ghee. Saffron infused milk. Cover the pot with aluminum foil to prevent steam escaping the pot. Cook on high heat for 3 minutes to build up steam. Then lower the flame and steam cook for 30 to 35 minutes. Take 150 grams curd in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon chopped coriander leaves and 1.5 teaspoon grated carrot, a half teaspoon salt, and add water as per required. Mix everything well until it's nicely combined. Curd sauce is ready. Serve with biryani. Remove lid and aluminum foil. Mix biryani. Serve hot chicken, DUM biryani. Garnish the biryani with some fried onion and fried cashews. It looks very delicious and tasty. Thanks for watching our video. Bye bye, see you again with another recipe.